If you are really serious about becoming a 6 or even a 7-figure earner in your network marketing company, then this video is for you. In fact, I'm gonna be talking about the blueprint, the definitive blueprint you need to follow if you wanna become a 6 or even a 7-figure earner in the MLM industry. If this is the first time you see one of my videos, my name is Sunny Vince, and I'm the co-founder of the Ninja Networker, and we have been helping since 2017 network marketers from all over the world recruit more people into their business without actually prospecting them. So using the internet and social media in a very effective way. And in this video, I want to share with you the blueprint, the book that I consider to be the definitive guide if you want to attract more people online, if you want to become the hunted instead of the hunter, if you want to really recruit people without actually prospecting them. And this book is called Attraction Marketing Formula. This is written by my first mentor in the online space, who is Fernie Ceballos, and he has been a network marketer and 7 and now 8-figure earner in the industry. And he has taught so many leaders and MLM gurus the same strategy, and they've all become 6 or even 7-figure earners by following what's written in this guide. And this is what I want to share with you today. I want to share with you actually one thing, I think the best thing that's written here, but what I recommend you do is actually get a copy of this book. You can find the link in the description with a free training. You opt in and then you have an option to buy the book if you want, but make sure you click the link in the description. But I want to talk to you and I want to share with you an information that completely changed my life and my business when I decided to actually apply it, when I learned from this book and then I decided to apply. In fact, in less than a year, I generated over 10,000 leads for my opportunity and over $100,000 in commission, just in front-end commissions. And now I'm going to explain what's front-end commission, just by using this strategy that you can find in this book at page 43. So as soon as you buy the book, you will be able to find more info about this strategy that I'm going to share with you. Now, I'm going to give you my thoughts on how to apply this for your business. Okay? This is what Fernie refers to as a magic slot machine. In fact, you will really be able to print money on demand by using this strategy. And no one else teaches you this. I haven't found this anyone else, and I know many people, many great teachers and gurus in the industry, but this is really, really unique from Fernie. Okay? What Fernie suggested to do, and I recommend you do as well, is not just, okay, I want to get people into my business, into my network marketing company opportunity, so I'm going to post things on Facebook. I don't mean like posting sales links or being salesy, okay? I want to generate leads and contacts and conversations on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Snapchat, whatever it is, Clubhouse, okay? So my goal is to generate leads and conversation and contacts for my network marketing business, okay? And that's good, it works. It takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of energy, but it can work, okay? If you're really there, you can generate conversations, you can generate people into your funnel, and then eventually you close some of them and you can become a big earner in your company, okay? There are people that do this, but this is the slow way. This is the hard way. This is really the way where you waste and spend a lot of time, energy, and maybe money even if you're doing ads or some other things, okay? What Fernie instead recommends to do, and what's called the magic slot machine, is that the traffic, okay, so the lead generation process is not oriented towards generating leads directly for what you want to sell, okay, for your products or network marketing opportunity, get people as a distributor, but it's actually to get people to buy a front-end offer. So you send the traffic to a capture page, a landing page, somewhere where people can leave their information, name, phone, email, and then before even telling them about your company or products, you try to sell something right away, a front-end offer. Something that can help you make money right away, fast, And if you're doing advertising, you can recoup the money of the ads, you can break even thanks to this front-end offer. So you are not actually losing money with the ads, and when people join your network marketing company, that's all profit, okay? But you cover the cost of the advertising with a front-end offer. And this can be really anything. What I recommend you do is selling some kind of information products. You don't have to create it yourself. You can be an affiliate for someone else. Like you can sell trainings, books, courses for someone else's, and you get a commission. Or if you want to create your own information products, like an ebook, a mini course, then you sell that even before introducing people to your company or your products. And this is a game changer again, because you can actually make money, and that's what I told you at the beginning of this video, that I generated over 10,000 leads and over $100,000 in commissions just with the front-end offer, without considering then the money generated from people joining my company and buying my network marketing products. Because once you have people joining your list, okay, they become a lead. And also, once they buy the front-end offer, then you are more relaxed. You're not really stressed so much about getting people to join your business, because then people can feel this stress, can feel this energy. You're much more relaxed, and you will have more people joining because you're more relaxed. And also, you will make money with the front-end offer. You can then follow up via email. If you get the phone, you can send messages on WhatsApp. If you get the messenger, you can send messages on Facebook. You can follow up in many different ways, so multi-channel follow-up, and then you talk to people about your company and products. You can create a webinar, you can get them on a call if you want to do one-to-one, you can organize three-way calls, you can get them on a live Zoom, whatever it is. But then you follow up already with the money generated from the front end, you are in profit, or worst case, breaking even from the ads, but still, all the money that you're generating right now will be profit. So you are not only making money from your network marketing opportunity, you added a second stream of income, which is the front-end offer. And that's what millionaires do. They have several streams of income, and this is what I recommend you do. That's what's called the magic slot machine, here on page 43 of the Attraction Marketing Formula. That's why I recommend you, and this is only page 43, there are, let's see how many pages? There are 148 pages. So that's only one concept that you can get from this book that I recommend you do. This is like really a gem in the industry. It's probably been bought by over tens of thousands of network marketers from all over the world. It's changed so many lives. You can join a free training right below this video, which is a 10-day bootcamp, and then you have an offer to buy this at a special price that you cannot get anywhere else. So make sure you get this book after joining the free training, and you will see your business really skyrocketing, because you can start becoming the hunted and not the hunted anymore. The hunted, sorry, not the hunter, I messed it up. And you can start really attracting people to you instead of you chasing them. And you can make money not only from your network marketing company, but from another source as well. So that's a game changer. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments any questions you have. Join the free training after the video, buy the book, and I look forward to seeing you at the top of your network marketing company. I'll see you in the next video, and bye from Sunny Vince. Have a nice day.